Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green and I'm the other audiologist here. Now this is my patient again. So you can see we've got a very, very deep, kind of sticky wax in this ear canal. To be fair, I thought it was going to be more difficult than what it actually was, because as soon as I got I think this is the standard size on the tube. No, this is the fine end.
Fine end, I think.
This is the fine end here, sorry. The reason I've gone for the fine end is because I thought there was going to be a slight layer of like dead skin or keratin, which was just at the entrance, the start of that wax plug. I just wanted to try and get a good grip to see if it will all bunch together and hold together. I didn't want this breaking away in little bits, because you can see this is pretty much right against the eardrum.
It does look like the whole thing's moving. As soon as you put a little tiny bit of pressure, every part of it moves. So is it all connected together?
It is, but you can see it's just coming away in like little slithers.
Is it just kind of hard and one hard brittle plug? Is it? It's just not really budging.
Yeah, it's a bit of a tricky consistency, because it's not hard, but it's not super soft either. It's that kind of weird in between consistency. And again, just take a little bit. So you can see all the hair that's kind of mixed in. There's possibly some cotton bud fibers in here as well.
At this depth and being as flat as it is, it wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah. And we do get some people that say they don't use anything, even though we ask. We know.
We know you do. We know we do. We're
it.
really asking to be polite.
Yeah. Have you used it? No. Definitely not.
Is that going to come away as one?
Oh,
No.
I was just going to say, you could just about to start it, because this is starting to move slightly. Now I just need to get a good grip on this side bit here, and I think this is going to start. Oh, here we go.
Oh, look at
you can
that.
see all that jumping away then. There we go.
Just loosening enough of the edge then, was it?
Yeah, so I could see it was all moving slightly, as you said at the start, moving slightly. I was just waiting for that little jump. We've got a little bit left now, deeper in.
Oh, look, it's almost like another layer.
Yeah. There we go. Luckily, all in big pieces.
Oh,
so again, you can see where the patient's been using oil, that there was a little bit of oil, luckily, which was still kind of trapped behind this. So it was actually, it actually really helped with taking this last piece away.
Yeah, because that would have been a beast to do. If that was dry down there, that would have been...
gosh.
I mean, it is dry anyway, but if there'd been no oil in there, that would have been a real tough one to get out.
As I said, this is the fine end, so you can see just a comparison of the ear canal. It's, again, very, very narrow. We seem to be getting a lot of really narrow ear canals in recently.
We do. It seems to have been, on keratin, loads and loads of people with keratin in their ears at the moment. It's a real, like uncommonly, tons and tons of people.
There we go. We've cleared the eardrum. I don't think I bother with that last little bit at the top there. I know you're going to slate me in the comments. I know it.
I'll have a word.
my bodyguard.
What are we? 1 inch of earwax.
2.5 centimeters.
2.5 centimeters. Oh, that's a good one. Right. Yeah, go on.
No, you start this
So
time.
you start because we messed it. Go on. We'll have practice it. Go on. Do you remember how it starts?
Yeah. Okay. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we'll see you again on the next video.
See, nailed it.
Nailed it.
Bye,
Smashed
everyone.
it. Bye.